Hey guys! On today's episode of All About Things, we are going to talk about food and all its glory of delicious tastes. But the first question we should ask ourselves is, why is food so important for our bodies? Food is something that provides us with nutrients, also known as little cell and tissue ninjas fighting off diseases and sicknesses. Nutrients is a substance that provides our body with energy, growth, and helps keep our immune system running smoothly. So that being said, what are the right kind of food to eat to keep the body healthy? Have you heard about the 5 food groups? Fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, and protein. All of the groups mentioned are important for the body to flourish. But what about candy and chips and French fries? Which group are they in? Well, in my opinion, those types of foods are in the junk food group. Yeah, they are most definitely tasty and delicious, but not the best choices to make for a healthy lifestyle. So let's talk about what kind of foods are in each of these food groups, and then we will play a fun game to see how well you know which foods are healthy and which are not. The first group is fruits. Probably my most favorite kind of food. Fruits provide vitamins and minerals that make your tummies happy. Oh, and let's not forget the fiber fruits have that help fill you up and keep your digestive system on track. There are watermelons, mangoes, strawberries, and bananas in this group. Eggplants are in the fruit family too. Did you think eggplants were a vegetable? Guess again. Eggplants have seeds inside them and are technically a berry. Weird, right? Do you think fruits have sugar? Yes, they actually do. Healthy fruit sugar. With all the colorful fruits out there, you could make a Picasso on your plate. Alright, let's talk about the vegetable group. What kind of foods do you think are in this group? There are peppers, broccoli, zucchini, and lettuce, to name a few. Do you think a tomato is a vegetable? Actually, tomatoes are considered a fruit because they contain seeds and grow from a flower of the tomato plant. Were you surprised? Are you questioning yourself on what you actually know about your fruits and veggies? So why is it important to eat these kinds of foods? Eating vegetables provide health benefits like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, just like fruits do. Can you tell me what kind of foods are in the dairy group? Yogurt, cheese, and butter are all part of the dairy food group. Did you know it takes 10 pounds of milk to make just 1 pound of cheese? Wow! It is important to have dairy in your diet because it provides the body with calcium, and calcium is used for building up and making your bones strong. Now, what about the grains group? Which kind of foods are in this group? Well, there is bread, cereal, pasta, and brown rice. Grains can provide us with minerals like iron, fiber, and vitamin B to nourish the body well. Here is a fun fact about grains. Did you know that part of the Great Wall of China was built with sticky rice? Yeah, it's true. Okay, now our last group, proteins. Did you know your nails and hair are made up of proteins called keratins? The different types of food with proteins are chicken, eggs, fish, nuts, and seeds. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissues inside your body, as well as storing and using energy for the body. So, all of the food groups we just talked about are pretty important for the growing body. But now, let's talk about junk food. I know most of us have a salty or sweet tooth and eat junk food every now and then. But what is considered junk food? Junk food is unhealthy food that is packed with tons of sugars and bad fats, with little dietary fiber, vitamins, and proteins that the 5 food groups give us. This particular foods have less nutritional value and are highly processed. Things like hot dogs, donuts, chips, and fried chicken are types of junk food. Eating a lot of junk food can cause obesity and long-term health problems. That's why it is important to limit our intake of junk food. We want our bodies feeling good and strong, and junk food puts a stop to that good feeling. Remember the game I mentioned earlier? Are you ready to play? All right, we'll be playing a game called Spot the Healthy versus Junk Food. I will be showing you different pictures of foods, and I want you guys to get up and jump to the correct side. Junk food will be on this side, and healthy food will be on this side. Let's see how many you get correct. Ready, set, let's get snacking. Cupcakes, pears, cucumbers, potato chips, yogurt, bread, pizza, peppers, ice cream, avocado. Great job, guys! How many did you get correct? Awesome! So let's talk about the ways that we can be healthier. First, it's important to start your day with a healthy breakfast. This helps fuel the body and gets it in motion for the long day ahead. Eating more of the 5 food groups than junk food ensures that we are getting our nutrients that helps our body grow. Swapping out junk food for a healthy alternative is a step in the right direction. Have frozen yogurt instead of ice cream. Eat a muffin filled with blueberries instead of sugary cupcakes. Munch on veggie chips instead of salty potato chips. Take a look on the labels of your food so you have a better understanding of what you're eating. And make sure to drink lots of water over sugary drinks. And of course, stay active. Well, I hope you learned something new about the foods of the earth. Choose wisely. See you guys next time. Bye.